Okay, so I'm going to show you how to very quickly put your pet into one of these Renaissance oil paintings. I'm just going to go grab my pet and drop him into the painting, drag the pet photo right between the background and the clipping mask right above it. So he's already in there. Now I'm just going to kind of move him around. I'm going to hit Control T. And that way I can make them as big or as small as I want them to be. It's already nicely cut out so that a dog's shape would fit nicely in there. So that looks good right about there. And then we've also got some extra hat parts right here. Right now I've got it turned on, but depending on how big your dog is and the shape of the head and everything, you might want to have that turned off. It just kind of depends. Every picture is going to be different. So anyway, that's all there is to it. I mean, it literally takes you like 10 seconds. So I think I'm going to make some more of these. This is the first one that I'm just kind of trying out. If you want to find this exact backdrop, it's at brushandoverlaycafe.com or on Etsy at Brush and Overlay Cafe. Although at the time I'm recording this, it's only available on the website at brushandoverlaycafe.com. I might end up putting it over on Etsy as well. All right, I hope you enjoyed it.